Hey, what's up, everybody? It has been raining for hours. I got home hours ago and it's almost 4 a.m. It's been raining steady like this since about 10 o'clock. No high winds, no storm, rain. It's calm. I'm glad I don't have to drive in it. Yeah, so we got rain. We got lots and lots of rain. No hurricane so far. I don't think we're going to get anything. But yeah, just rain. You can hear it. That's me. Hi. Hi. That's it. Just rain. So if anybody's wondering if I'm safe, I am safe. Thanks. Keeping it warm. And still no aliens yet. Had to hear bye.